install the Mous phone mount, and it comes with a hex key, and it will be pretty easy to open. Righty tighty, lefty loosey. So let's do it this way. It goes at 360 rotation, depending on where you're gonna put it on your handlebars. Sense. Depending on what you have, they're thick enough. I don't think I'm gonna need one of the 3 different sizes of rubber fillers that come with it. But you have 3 different sizes and 3 different thicknesses. You see that? Depending on the size of your handlebars. So before you tighten up your device, you want to see where you want it. So I have my case. I'm gonna put it in there. For me, I usually have my phone somewhere where I can touch it, because don't do this at home, but I take pictures. And so one good thing to do when you are putting your mount, sit down on your bike like when you're riding, and like this, you will see where it goes, what is the length, and where does it go. I mean, this is pretty nice. I like it here, which is very in the front. It's not gonna be distracting me, and it's straight, and I can have it. It's not hitting my handlebar, it's hitting it a little bit, so I'm gonna move it like that, like so, and let's tighten. But now I know how I want it. One single phone has a case. Some phones are larger than others. I happen to have a large phone, but my friends from Mous, they have adapters. So I was sent this adapter that I'm gonna put into my case, and I'm gonna go and do a test ride. Doesn't vibrate, and it stays super still, and it is super, it's adjustable. So I love the colors, I love the design, I love that it's super simple. In order to get it, it has a magnetic stripe inside, and in order to get it out, I have to use both my hands. So I can't be riding and just go like this. It won't fall off. Look how secure it is. And I had to do both hands. So if I'm riding, case is super cute. It's black, and that's it. It was pretty easy. I just went on a ride, and This is amazing. It has like an anti-shock. It doesn't vibrate at all, and it's super, super tight and easy to put on. And I love the design. I love the colors. Get your foot mount. You deserve one.